Ebusama ma wakwa ba fa umbra Ghana SMTVGH mesro like, comment, subscribe. Turn the notification also on so that anytime you post a video bit say we are share usambe kebi. Nzema for ebuefu say for several years ni mutuaba Emma NDC any MP Armah Kofi Buah and his colleagues. But adia ye puntu juma die ebi nkoso ewo Nzema hono eni azim. Now it's very, very sad, you see. Marty said the Deputy Minister of Roads and Highways, no, Efrisa Mpotemho. And how can a Deputy Minister of Roads, ni constituency, kronfuo no, Suamba Road, irony beno no. We a Deputy Minister of Roads. Kronfuo to Abama say call Parliament hono ne call lobby momo. Na adia ye di we do editu anompo no. Untimi fan Buah u constituency for. Now the level of incompetence that NDC displays every day, no. Amazing, no. I'm pleasantly amazing. I mean, explain this to me. Explain it to me. Let me understand. Say, nkofa to Abama. Wako parliament. Wako do parliament no so no. Nyamia ye wa dom. Ya appoint at the road ministry. And you still have your own people crying about roads. Oma kwanya wa constituency nimu, district nimu, aseya. She in Koso. And then Nzema for apologizing to Akufo-Addo ni MPP. And Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. In fact, Omunji to say, under Akufo-Addo ni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no. Now Azim Honum, Nzema and all those surrounding areas no. Acquire some of the major roads that lead those places to other cities no. Akufo-Addo ye omunyina. Oye omunyina. Akufo-Addo making massive investment all across this nation. There is no single regional Beka say they have not seen the impact of Akufo-Addo's government. And Nemushe, NDC for acquire Muso Muyeno. ECOWAS for the sponsor acquire no. ECOWAS, enya buying Wesika. Enya buying Wesika. But enamunda any cotton pointy. They will not let their followers understand this. They like to keep their followers in ignorance. Because among them say, so long as their followers keep being ignorant now, they will keep voting for Omo. Entina NDC for a Haiti education. Nobody should be educated in Ghana. Now education now why educated mpono? Educated mpono. Omanu who so fast because omanu bre omanu for nyina eso. Last time, market to Mambi interview. Osi under Akufo-Addo. Adia na yeto 800. Eye product B. Ene under Mahama. Omo is kano so aba 600 mpu konfonto. Banda Akufo-Addo na Akufo tompa a mutimiya shortage mpu. That is the kind of country John Mahama, His Excellency, is supervising over. But we want Ghanaians, so, and yes, I want Ghana for, we want them. But they did not listen.
Don't waste away a galam say, Miss Wallace say in Nzema.
Mr. The three Nzema questions. Share, Master says, Nzema. I do a boy and there go has gone or the ono why na hasfata ye na efado na sesi ana apart from eku askwano na azim onabo na ado dan kwa na ATS obegu azim asfalt a sesi aye na ye wa azim na yetumi ya fa asfalt no kaka e kon bia ni Nzema asase do a oye kwan papa afutofe why no tun bebre be dey yi
big push
ya lonka
after big push
o say deputy road minister every Samini barrier, one if you libo eleba in Asia, barrier be all, Samini barrier, if you want to have us me, Massa Quana say, Quana say, one cassa so a deputy road minister, or constituency, a Quana say, says Yankasano constituency, maybe Pianua, a bit to my career, a benya Quano or Daoya Mutrabra, ever found by 1 kilometer. And yenu anumi abete na wase itunikase yebato aman
anti nyuma what wenye
ngo
mabisata
for one more
big push
itunikase yebato aman has been secured.
What?
You know puni problem. You was stadium. You know DVL
That's
office.
amazing.
You know a health insurance brand new office. ECD brand new office. You know cocoa first na evara jomoju ya cocoa ntumi na takwa na ekwa die cocoa fertilizer through akofa do you know cocoa district into first no the bar it comes direct into the constituency. Over 1,000 youth were part of the entrepreneurship. The whole town of Azim was asphalted. And
But
Victoria Park was
Nzema.
renovated. I say,
these are the problems now. NPP people they still can't get. The man, you know, it doesn't
And
win.
no one can make that kind of.
It does not win.
No one make that kind of. Yeah. It doesn't.
you see, Master, 8 years of Akufo-Addo, 8
Can you
years of
imagine?
Akufo-Addo Bawumia administration. No, Azim had a very massive project. Baby, ever for me, no. Yembi say I want the
So we
NDC.
lost.
Bisade abede na waye. Or the drip machines the bear. And the drip machines no say no.
Okay.
The people of Jura
and it pains me that MPP still politics in the enter. You mean
Yeah, politics and that's it.
I'm coming. I started observing politics from Christine Chacha time as somebody who was going for. Let me tell you, Christine Chacha, the reason why I came close to winning power.
Very good politician.
One tag na deno. On the end was start you. Christine Chacha started Orube Jinape. You know what tag the door ya shawoni.
Oh, Mekai
Remember,
yeah.
and you mean you ma Christine Chacha watch what the mana. Also ya shawenya Besebia road dina yazi. And the man you know, honor no do you know. Besebia sinin ko na yazi. Besebia sinin ko na yazi. The man you mean ya you know one. One cover policy ya de bia. What's all ya showing no so okay. Besebia one odidi. So if you go and talk because yeah fishing communities you know well the bad area on your be an answer they want public display idea can obey fanciful for them to play with
Right.
they don't care it's not
They don't
that
care.
they are looking at
They don't
it's
care.
a picture there atina we who there or the one oh need to compose a song to counter it.
Oh, here,
Akaka road in some road in some no no road in some no there.
No, Nipa no
Anima. NDC time that was 2009 to 2015. Premise na wo deal no. A committee award one good no. One no good nti oma ade ne beye akasaka samanso na ade na wala enemy Nzema ha ebi ko to be two and it killed 32 people.
Wow.
Menkai ebusuafo ne nkofo 32 we so 2017 year ba power no na MC one yenden MP honorable Katina Brema Feku what the phone was no ade no say 4 years
Nzema,
ade nipa na to go
remember
senior
pain if security kwada him na chere empui se if security kwada ho na yenya yefi se security kwade what to aba MPP who developer then you don't know what you are talking about now in few
Yeah papa ina la yeah
are you putting it about one second
exactly
You don't know.
Fishing abona was second. Fishing abona was second. Nana no see ya. Bisa no. Fishing abona on second. Say the second.
I will be someone that NDC
Nana no see ya.
And you must sama. Busun kita bebe tena doang kubisana no beye. Oye no beye. Ha? From Takrade, Maka second if you want to find them road doko. Road need to train for beye. Kufo no me hu ko ta. The horse. Wait, Jimmy Papa, the one year fee. So what are you talking about?
If it's secondary regional office, doko Takrade Pagant says so a double road. I had two. MPP. Sanchen, a better platform. I say Akaki. And that's some man who good America.
Is it that's it? It's okay.
As some man who good America, no uncle for 32 weeks. MPP ban was say, Madribesiano. What ban was no, I didn't end the man on Buah, into Yansasano. 1 year be or the group a good party for no dorsal. 1 year no son, or another group or that Demobaya. Ubia benye duaden wadado and afare for now wa appreciate says a petrol ebu atremas no mbe and what a petrol filling station or do kopo ti maestro abana de most mahama olubu amano onye nde ya afanko na 2028 de ba omia de inshallah ebe wini
that's it that's
amen
atiefo aha aye nungwa market sa market we I see her almost getting to 60 years ni year boss 6 one more pon say ya boss 8 one more pon ene mi bisa wo mo say adenti na one more pon wo so wo mo ton banchi wo mo ton tomatoes ni ade nti edura na adwo a obi a meden obi a metohwe enso market we agina 60 good years. Now that means a drum na do woman ton ade. Inti mi bi say NDC government say sa 24 hours economy market na. Momo dia ba NDC communicators say sa market no e be run 24 hours economy market. A drum na do ye be ton ba nti. Wo mo be ye me sen. Sa market we ye any 60 years no. Ye boss 7 8 na wo mo pon na NDC ni communicator be gina wo catch na me say 24 hours economy market no 24 hours economy market no edu anajo a ye beton ade a ene na kire say sa policy no 24 hours economy policy no the way your NDC communicators kire mu no kire say policy ni useless what I say we kire clear wait now clear say President Nzema Mahama was failing. Wait now clear say this government will more failing. Dito. Wait now clear. 2028 man ha mon pack money ama na kofi. Market we in 60 good years. Yen ton ade anajo. Na wo ba be market 24 hours economy market. Enye 1 year but who expect say yen ton ade anajo. Inti me ma me saman ana me papa saman no won beba beto banti akowo fufu ana won beba beto ntos eni moko eni monko eni aguchi e dia kwakoye nkwan e wa samado ana me yibisa inti we kura kire say 24 hours economy policy no 24 hours economy market no the way NDC communicators kire mu no kire say policy no amana ye useless policy ni useless say ye see market now running 24 hours economy market ne edra na dwa ya ton banche ya ton toast and so market we yes ya as yes over 60 years ya boss 7 ya pon market ni ya boss 7 obi apon ya boss 7 obi apon patira ha eni ya boss 7 obi apon into 24 hours economy market ne ye the way I'm more explaining useless. Any obi apon. When a ton banchi wa hanado. When a ton banchi. When a ton monko. Ni bisa. For police youth ni benye juma ye. For police youth ni benye juma ye be jeni tiska. One say Ghana card ne police na Dr. Mahmoud Mawumia buy no. And a Ghana card generate sika wo. Generate sika near the akwakoye interchange. This is called visionable leader. We no need for omo visionable leader. Omo the police beba na benefit youth no. No. Yes, that's in yanko. Say market we had over 60 years na ntimi wura ni 24 hours economy market. Market we had 60 years. Edwa na ya pon ye ntimi nton ade a. Ebesida na wo 24 hours economy market na wo so build no. O catch the Ghana for say wo munjintum say edwa na de beton ba nche. Wo fi say Ghana for agimi wo hu. 2028 eba.